Drape the yarn over your index finger and middle finger. And loop it once around both fingers as well. So that makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook. So this is a magic ring. Now, left palm facing you. Hold the magic ring and loop the yarn once around your pinky. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger, with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See to loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through these two loops. So this is one single crochet. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Insert hook into the ring again, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on hook to make 1 single crochet. Continue with 4 more single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 'Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. We can put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we finish round 1. Pull tight the yarn tail. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning of round 2. Insert hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet and mark this first stitch. Insert the hook into the same stitch, and work another single crochet. 2 single crochets in the same stitch equal 1 increase. So now we got 1 increase, see to stitches. Insert hook into the next stitch and work to single crochet to make 1 increase. 2 increase, see for stitches. Repeat with 4 more increase. 3, 4, 5, 6, 'Take off the stitch marker and insert the hook into the marking stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Okay, we finish round 2. In the third round, we need to work 6 groups of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Work 1 single crochet at the first stitch and mark this stitch with the stitch marker. Work 1 increase in the next stitch. Finish 1 group of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. See 3 stitches. We need to repeat with 5 more groups of 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Skip the slip stitch and chain stitch. Insert hook into the marking stitch and work 1 slip stitch to fasten off. And we finish round 3. Round 4 includes 6 groups of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. And 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. So, we finish 1 group of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. See 4 stitches. Continue with 1 single crochet. And 1 more single crochet. 1 increase. Finish the second group. We need to repeat with 4 more groups of 2 single crochet, 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to fasten off. Now we finish round 4. In round 5 and 6, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Work 1 chain stitch each at the beginning of the round 5 and round 6. Mark the first stitch of each round with the stitch marker. Repeat single crochet to finish each 24 single crochet of round 5 and 6. And remember to work 1 slip stitch at the end of round 5 and 6. Okay, we have finished 2 rounds of 24 single crochet each round. In round 7, we need to work 6 groups of 3 single crochet, 1 increase. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet, mark this stitch. and 2 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. So, we finish one group of 3 single crochet, 1 increase. See 5 stitches. Continue with 3 single crochet. And 1 increase. Finish the second group. We need to repeat with 4 more groups of 3 single crochet, 1 increase. When we come to the last increase, we first work 1 single crochet. Since we will use another yarn in the next round, we need to change the yarn in this stitch. Insert the hook into the last stitch, yarn over and pull through. And we change the yarn. Loop the white yarn once around your pinky and index finger. And hold the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Leave a little more yarn tail and place it on the back of the crochet. Hold your middle finger against the yarn tail and crochet piece. Then yarn over. And pull through the 2 loops on hook. And we finish the last increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to fasten off. Insert the hook into the marking stitch. Put the white and pink yarn tails on hook. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Pull tight. Now we finish round 7. For the round 8 to 10, we need to work 30 single crochet in each round. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning of each round. Insert your hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Put the yarn tails on the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Mark the first single crochet. Repeat single crochet to finish each 30 single crochet of round 8 to 10. And work 1 slip stitch at the end of each round. Now we have finished round 8 to 10.